So this is a review for the film How I Spent My Summer Vacation. You've got a massive image this time compared to a lot of the reviews, to make it clear that we know Mel Gibson's in the film. So you've got the big one at the top and the little one at the side. So the a ratio of text and an image is actually a lot more for the image this time. So I don't know if they're trying to make you attracted to the film just because he's in it. You don't need the text to be enticed. You know he's in it because he's a good actor.
The main image at the top is very quite powerful as a statement because he's surrounded by sort of unhygienic and I don't know.
You can tell he's not where he usually would be as an actor.
If we go to the caption, it says grungy gibbo, so it's very, it's like alliteration again. It's quite informal. However, if we scroll down to, go down to the text, we've got some very big words. I've lost them.
Very big.
They've just used extravagant wording to make the film sound as they're praising the film a lot, making it sound as good as it could.
Misdemeanors, and there's another one there, but I can't
Misdemeanors.
quite find it. That's the one.
It shows that it's for a slightly more
mature audience.
Yeah.
A certain type of group.
And you've got here, it says exclusive, so that entices the audience in. It's like, well, I'm not going to see this review anywhere else.
It's exclusive to the magazine, Total Film.
There's a nice tie-in of the colour red with the titles and the shirt the guy's wearing.
And then in the actual text itself, so it starts off with a quote from the director, and then it just gives you a general plot again, and then again just praises the film for what it's about, and it's telling you it's a bit different to what he normally does in his work, set in a prison.
This is a review by Total Film, and in some of the other reviews we've looked at from this magazine, this one doesn't have a clear rating, so it doesn't have this, we're going to give this 3 out of 5 or anything. So it's a bit what's the word?
Ambiguous.
Unclear.
You have to read the whole text in order to find out what they actually think.
Yeah.
You don't get the basic information you need really at the start.
Yeah, unlike some of the other ones we use, and we like the.
It makes it easier for a reader.
Stated information.
Yeah. So I think we don't much like this layout for this one, but we do like how the images.
Yeah.
We do like the images for this.
And again, colour schemes and texts. So you've got Going Gringo in big capitals. So instead of it, again, is making it a bit different, you haven't got the title in capitals. You've got a saying that they've added to it. As well as that, you've got the colour scheme of red going through, like Daryl said earlier, on the shirts, as well as in the extra parts that they've added to the text.
Down here we've got, for more news and features, go to totalfilm.com. So that's like technological convergence. There's still, it's on a piece of paper, and obviously everybody knows that magazines aren't really in at the moment.
They're getting outdated by technology.
Technology is taking over the world, so to speak. So they put that at the bottom.
So it's not the best review, but it still gives you the information you need, just not in the best layout it could have been.
Yeah.
There's too much image, I think.
Good pictures there.
Yeah.